Mrs. Jayanti Ramesh. When the video is getting ready, I just would like to say our Stand Up India beneficiary, Mrs. Jayanti Ramesh. She's the MD of Srivari Foods, a woman entrepreneur who is a franchise of Adyar Anand Bhavan Sweets and Snacks restaurants. She has employed around 70 employees and she successfully completed 2 years with good customer service and repeated customers. Can we have the video introducing our Stand Up India beneficiary, Mrs. Jayanti Ramesh? So, Mrs. Jayanti Ramesh, over to you. We would like to hear from you, your success story and your journey. Something it is related with food. So we are very interested and looking forward.
Good evening, one and all. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you for this wonderful opportunity of sharing my experience with you all, making me participate in this webinar. I am thankful to you. Can we have the screen share? Maslin, can we have the screen share?
Ma'am, Usha ma'am. Ma'am, yes, that day I sent you in WhatsApp Jayanti ma'am's PPT.
I'm not sure I have it. 1 second. Jen, if you don't mind start talking without the presentation. I'm just finding the presentation.
Yeah, I'll start. Ma'am, our concern is Srivari Foods. We are franchisee of Adyar Anand Bhavan Sweets and Snacks and Restaurant. We serve quality sweets and snacks along with South Indian and North Indian recipes. Here we wanted to develop a new business on my own. So I wanted to focus on the industry which is evergreen. So we selected food industry. So from on that, we had an opportunity of getting a partnership with a bigger brand of Adyar Anand Bhavan. And in fact, that was a very huge budget. Since I do not want to lose the opportunity, I was contacting my bankers. My banker is Central Bank of India. Then he suggested the process and all. The process as such, we logged in the application in the month of December 2018. Stand Up India process was explained to me in detail by the banker. And he gave the process of documentation like creating the project report and all. Then our application was submitted. Then my loan was sanctioned in the month of January 2019. The main concerns in the loan process as such is we need to be very clear on what is the project cost and how much is that we are going to avail from the bank. In that, what would be the quantum of working capital and capital investment. Then in order to enable the quick process of the loan, I have to make my projections keeping ready with quotations of the machinery to be purchased. And we need to have the GST, PAN number, as well as the Udyoga Aadhar, MSME registration, all those things. Since initially the bank manager guided me what are the prerequisites to be have the loan process, I made it ready so that the loan process was easy and everything was logged in, and the process continued smoothly. They were holding hand with me together till the end of the inauguration of the project also. Central Bank of India was my banker, and the main thing was I was sanctioned 50 lakhs, out of which 48 lakhs was towards the investment and 2 lakhs was towards the working capital. Since my loan was processed without any collateral, 1% of guarantee fee was charged apart from the interest. That's a minimal increment only, but since we wanted to start a big project, I did not have much concern on it. We need to establish and stabilize initially. Then my accomplishment as such was we started our operation in the month of February 2019, and our first year turnover was approximately around 4 crores. We focused more on the digital transactions also. So in order to increase the sale, we partnered along with Zomato also, apart from the delivery app of Swiggy, which in fact boosted our sales. We focus more on the takeaways as well as outdoor catering apart from the walk-ins that we have. My challenge in the industry is, you as a hotel industry with a huge number of employees, the manpower retention is the huge task. In fact, we were giving relevant training and counseling to them regularly so that they stick on to our organization and don't move out. And COVID period was again a complete task of shutdown. And slowly we improved from the situation of thrive or survive by enabling the best customer service in the times of adversity. And what we focus more on is we take the customer feedback and the scope of improving regularly, and whatever the concerns they have, we resolve it immediately and see to that we have the repeated customers because of the customer satisfaction that we offer to them. My future goals as such is, since I am into the food industry itself, I want to partner with few more brands, and with regard to this brand, I want to start operation in one more branch as well as to start one more branch in abroad so that I could be more successful with all the support of